What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I'm here with my boy Steel, co-host Steel. Give me that bow. Give me a bow. Yeah. So in my last video, I bought a couple dog puzzles off of Amazon. So one of them was a board puzzle, and the other one was this, which was a ball where the treats are under here, and they come through the hole, and then you have to move the ball around, and they eventually will come out of this hole. Steel had no interest in this, but what he's supposed to do is just move the ball around, kick it around until eventually a treat will come out. So if you watched the video, he obviously had no interest in it, and so I left it for him during the day to see if he would ever like roll it around and get a treat out. So what he did was actually try to break it open instead of rolling it around. I'll show you. So look at this. You can see all the marks that he made trying to break it open with his teeth. Look at all this. Out of focus. See all these marks? These are all his teeth marks trying to break this thing open because it does pop open, and he actually almost got into it. But yeah, that's actually smart. Instead of actually just trying to roll this stupid thing around and get the treats out eventually, he just went right to the source and tried to break it open. Ain't that right, buddy? You do this? Did you do this? It's actually smarter to try and break it open rather than rolling it around and get the treats out. You want the treats inside here? I'll give you the treats. So these videos have been going around for a while now, and they're called Try Not to Laugh challenges. Oh, thank you. Or Try Not to Laugh or Grin, or whatever you want to call it. So I came up with my own version, and it's Try Not to Howl version. Some people have asked me how you get your husky to howl. Mine doesn't howl. How do you get him to howl? Some huskies will be more talkative than others. For Steel, he doesn't howl that much actually. You have to really get him going. So either I make howling noises, like woo, woo, and you have to keep going until he eventually howls. But one thing that I learned is watching videos online of other dogs howling or puppies crying. It usually gets him going much faster. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna watch some huskies howling or puppies crying and see how long Steel can last until he actually howls. Or yawns 1,000 times. I typed in husky howling, and let's see his reaction. Alright, so that didn't take very long. We were about 30 seconds into the video before he started howling. Let's try husky puppies crying.
It's a female. Yeah, a little rocky. Come on, right here. Come here.
Are you trying to talk to me? Sound the horn of Gondor. Okay, he failed at that one too. He pretty much howled right away with that one. I wasn't even playing anything. You're just in a howling mood now. See, once they get in the mood, they just start howling at anything now, so. Oh. Alright, let's try one more. See if you can at least get through one without howling. That's the challenge, you know, you're not supposed to howl. Let's try another husky.
Come on, get out of the bathtub. Come on. Let's go for a walk. Come on.
Try not to howl, Theo.
I'm not turning on the water. Come on. Come on. Let's go for a walk. Come on. Come on. Get out of the bathtub. Come on. Do you want to go for a walk?
Wow, good job, buddy. You actually got that one without howling. Give me a bow. Give me a bow. Bows? Bows? Yeah. Bow. Good job, buddy. How about a piece of chicken? Thank you guys for watching. You could try this with your dog. See if they howl. Maybe even play this video and see what happens. Let's make that the challenge. Play this video in front of your dog from Steel howling, or from the audio from other dogs howling and stuff. And I want to see your videos. I want to actually see your dog. Is the real reason. Send them to me on Twitter at Joey Ahern. Let's see who is the shout out of the week. This week's shout out goes to the Vegetarian Baker. Thank you for watching, buddy. We met. If you guys don't know who the Vegetarian Baker is, we met in New York at the YouTube space. We did a class together. We became friends, and he still comments and watches my videos, and so make sure you give him a follow. He's actually on the sidebar, the related channels. Again, thank you guys for watching, and that's it. How about another bow? How about another bow? Bow for the road? Bow for the road? Yeah, bow for the road. Bow for the road. Peace out!